I am a collection of flawed parts, but Henry says he can make me perfect. Even as his two friends lounged in the posh, glossy, dark brown leather couches lining his study, their bodies lay spent, their essence drying on my frigid skin, I was not yet complete. The gaping abyss of nothingness at my core slowly spun and sucked in my surroundings. It rotted at my center, cackling in mocking whispers of what might have once been there. Some nights I could ignore it, focus on the scalpel's edge between misery and divinity my visitors would bring. Other nights it would sit upon the shelf and stare down at me, taunting me to uncover what lay behind the peeling wallpaper of my psyche.